the dust particles carries it and mixes with the air. Also, we can see the dust particles when narrow beam of sunlight. So many dust particles are dancing in it. Next, smoke. When we burn garbages called firewood, the smoke is coming out and it rises higher and mixes with the air. Smoke also coming out from the chimneys of factories or factories. Also from vehicles, like bus, cars, scooters. Smoke is coming out and it mixes with the air and make it polluted. Now germs. Germs. When we sneeze or cough, the germs are coming out in the air, and also dust particles, it carries the germs and spread disease. So when air containing dust, smoke and germs is impure and it is not good for our health, and it is called polluted air. So for our good health, we have to breathe clean and fresh air, and plants make the air fresh and clean. So for our good health, we have to grow more and more plants to get fresh and clean air. Let's learn the exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. When we see a narrow beam of sunlight, we find countless dust particles dancing in it. Now second, when coal is burnt, smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke is given out. 3. Smoke and dust, D-U-S-T, dust, make the air impure. Now 3. Blank air is good for health. Answer is P-U-R-E. Pure air is good for health. We read again. Number 1. When we see a narrow beam of sunlight, we find countless dust particles dancing in it. Second, when coal is burned, smoke is given out. 3. Smoke and dust make the air impure. 4. Pure air is good for health. Now question number 2. True or false? False. Dust particles in the air may carry germs. True. Air near factories is good for health. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. It is not good for health. Number 3. Wind carries dust particles along with it. True. Question number 3. Match the columns. Number 1. Chimney of factories. It produces smoke. Green plants make the air fresh and clean. We breathe air. Polluted air makes us sick. Again we are going to read chimney of factories produces smoke. Green plants make the air fresh and clean. We breathe air. Polluted air makes us sick.
Chapter 7. Air has dust, smoke and germs. Learning points. Dust. Where do the dust particles come from? Smoke. Where does the smoke come from? Germs. First topic is dust. Look at the narrow beam of sunlight entering a room. We can see this is narrow beam and sunlight is entering in the room through a small gap. This one is small gap and this beam, narrow beam, is entering in the room through this gap. You will notice countless dust particles dancing in the beam of sunlight. This beam of sunlight, we can see so many dust particles are dancing in the sunlight. This shows that there are dust particles in the air. It shows that so many dust particles are there in the air. Where do the dust particles come from? First, when the wind blows, it carries particles of dust along with it. We can see when wind is blowing, so many dust particles is blowing with along with the air. In this way, dust particles mix with air. Second, when a sweeper sweeps the road, dust particles mix with the air. This sweeper is sweeping the road and dust particles mixes with the air. Now second, SMOKE, smoke. Air contains smoke. Where does the smoke come from? Whenever things like garbage, coal or firewood are burnt, we can see this garbage is firewood are burning and smoke is coming out from it. Smoke comes out. Again we are going to read, whenever things like garbage, coal or firewood are burnt, smoke comes out. The smoke rises up and mixes with the air. This smoke rises up and mixes with the air. The smoke coming out of the chimney of a factory or a bakery also mixes with the air. We can see the chimneys of the factories. This smoke is also mixes with the air. The smoke given out by vehicles like bus, car or truck also mixes with the air. We can see the smoke of vehicles also mixes with the air. Now last topic, germs. GERMS, germs. Apart from dust and smoke, air also contains germs. Germs come out from cough or a sneeze of human beings. Dust particles in the air carry these germs. Germs spread disease. Air contains dust, smoke and germs is impure and called polluted air. This air is not good for health. Breathing polluted air can make us sick. So we should always breathe fresh and clean air to keep ourselves healthy. Green plants make the air fresh and clean, so we should grow more and more plants. Now I know first, air containing dust, smoke and germs is called polluted air. Second, wind carries dust. Third, smoke given out by vehicles, factories and burning of garbage, firewood and coal mixes with air. Fourth, dust particles carry germs. Fifth, air containing germs causes disease. Sixth, air containing dust, smoke and germs is not good for health. Summative assessment. Let's answer question 1. Choose the correct word from the brackets and complete the following statements. Number 1. When we see a narrow beam of sunlight, we find countless blank dancing in it. The answer is dust particles. D-U-S-T, dust, P-A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S, dust particles. Again we are going to read, when we see a narrow beam of sunlight, we find countless dust particles dancing in it. Number 2, when coal is burnt, blank is given out. Answer is smoke, S-M-O-K-E. When coal is burnt, smoke is given out. Number 3, smoke and blank make the air pure. Answer is dust. Smoke and dust make the air impure. 4th, blanks come out when a man sneezes. Germs. Answer is germs. G-E-R-M-S. Germs come out when a man sneezes. 5th, blank air is good for health. Answer is pure. P-U-R-E. Pure air is good for health. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Dust particles in the air may carry germs. This answer is true. T-R-U-E. True. Number 2. Air near factories is good for health. This is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Number 3. Wind carries dust particles along with it. True. T-R-U-E. True. Question number 3. Match the columns. Column A, column B. First, chimney of factories produces, answer is smoke. Number 2, green plants make the air fresh and clean. We breathe air. Polluted air makes us sick. Now formative assessment. Let's have fun. Write briefly what is happening in these pictures. We can see the pictures and we are going to write few sentences about it. Smoke come out from the chimney of the house which makes the air impure. Number 2, smoke given out by vehicles make the air impure. This smoke is make the air impure. Germs come out from a sneezes of boy. This boy sneezes and germs come out from its sneezes.